Hi, I am Andrea Dallan, CEO of Dallan Company. We are here today in our building number 4, and I'm here to invite you to our next masterclass, where we will have the possibility to see this beautiful D63 line that is for the production of rolling shutters, slats, and it is a line that can produce at 37 meters per minute. This is the basic setup, but apart from this line, we will have also the possibility to see how you can expand this line to go to the coil-to-window system by Dallan that will allow you from the coil to get with just one operator, without producing scrap, from the coil to the finished window. We have two different ways of finishing the curtains. The more standard is the locking of the curtain with the plastic cap, and we have also the Dallan lock without the plastic cap. It is a very efficient solution. So if you want to join us, please come to our website masterclass.dallan.com and register, or you can write to us at eng@dallan.com. So I wait you at our next masterclass, and see you the next time. Ciao!